This video will help you make a GIF using Keynote. So I'm going to open Keynote, and I've already added a couple of emojis here that I wanted to use for my GIF. So the first slide is the one face and with the eyes open, and the second one is a face with the eyes closed. So I thought that might be a fun little GIF to put together. So how did I do that? I use a plus sign to add a slide. Pick the slide that you want to include. Double tap to edit. And on my keyboard, I clicked on the word, and then I went and picked some emojis that I liked for this. So you can do that, and then you can get rid of the extra parts that you don't need. I'm then going to click over here on the three little dots, and I want to click on export. And if you look down towards the bottom half, there's animated GIF, and it's going to give me some options. And this is really important that you select slide range. So I have two slides, so I'm going to say use 1 and 2. Go back to gift options. Frame rate, you can adjust the frame rate to be as fast or slow as you like. And then auto advance, this is just slides back and forth, so I put it at 1 second. And I'm going to then click to export here at the top right hand side of that screen and share. So what you want to do is share this to Canvas, and you might have to come slide over to more and then find Canvas and add it to your options there. Additionally, you can save it to your OneDrive, and when you save it to your OneDrive, then upload it to Canvas. You can use whatever you want to create this GIF. You can make your own drawing. Some of you have done some fabulous jobs creating emojis. Maybe you want to try your hand at creating a GIF of your emoji. You can use photos. You can use the emojis that appear on the options screen. And just take some time and have a little fun with this.